my beautiful people. Welcome back to my kitchen. I just want to keep bigging you guys up, telling you guys thanks because for the subscribe, the like, the share, the comments. When I read the comments, they really uplift my spirit. Oh, I love you guys so much. And here I am again today. I am going to share another recipe with you. This time is simple. It is just natural healthy melon juice, and this is just a simple and easy recipe. So I'm just using melon, a little bit of ginger. I love my ginger. It just give it a kicks and a little buzz, when you're drinking my juice. And it's also good for your health, indigestion, skin complexion. So I love my ginger. And I'll be also using half of lemon juice. And I'm about to start. First thing, I'm just gonna simple remove my melon from the skin. I'm cutting up in small pieces and I'm adding it to the melons were already being cut up. And my blender is already washed, it's all clean and it's ready for using. I like to make sure everything is clean and looking good. So I am just going to put my melon straight into my blender. And I'm giving my ginger a little rinse. And I'm gonna squeeze half of my lemon into my blender. And I'm going to add a tablespoon of honey into my blender. The melon is already sweet, so this is just my finishing touch because the melon is already sweet. And I'm just gonna add a little bit of water, not much water because this is watermelon, so it's consume its own water. So I don't need a lot of water to kill the flavor of my melon juice. So I'm just gonna add just a little bit of water. That's quite okay. I'm gonna put my lid on. Sure. I'm gonna switch my blender on and I'm gonna start it blending. I don't have to blend this for long because the melon is easy to blend, so I'm just gonna give it a quick blend. as you can see, it's all blend and it is looking really good. And I did not use a lot of water because this is watermelon, so it consumes own water. So I just put a little bit of water to get it going, you know. So it's all blend and ready for strain. Wow. Oh my God, wow, that is looking really, really good. That's what it's supposed to look like when you blend it. You can see it's looking really, really good, really rich and healthy. So I am going to strain my melon juice. So let's get straining. Wow. Oh, look at that. So rich and healthy. I'm really enjoying all these juice. Really, really enjoying it. And I really love sharing my recipe with others and let them live a healthy lifestyle just like me. Sharing is caring, and I'm a very caring person and I love to share. So I'm so happy that I can share my recipe all over the world and have people watching my videos and subscribe to my channel, and they're leaving me some lovely comments, really, really uplifting comments. Every day they put a smile on my face. I met some really nice people when I'm up and about, and you know, we had a good chat, and they told me that I'm doing a good job and I must continue to do what I'm doing and never give up. And I won't give up. I know my lifestyle is very busy and it's hectic because I'm also working. It's not like I'm at home doing this. I work and my job is very challenging, but I still make time to help people to live a healthy lifestyle. I'm just gonna give my juice a second straining to make sure all the bits are out and my juice is nice. And when I'm drinking my juice, I really want to enjoy my juice. As you can see, it's looking really rich and healthy. My natural healthy melon juice. Guys, please get your blender out and started watching my videos and make some healthy natural juice. And if you don't have a blender at home, go get yourself a blender. Give yourself a little treat and get yourself a blender. I'm just giving a little stir to combine all my ingredients. Just combine my lemon juice and my honey. Combine them all together. Oh, that is looking good. I am just going to pour some over ice and I'm going to have a taste and then I'll tell you guys what I think about my natural healthy melon juice. Wow, look at that. Oh wow, that is looking really good. Really good. So I'm just gonna give it a taste and then I'll tell you guys what I think about my natural healthy melon juice. Wow. Very refreshing and delicious. Guys, if you like my juice, please give it a thumbs up, like and share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Have a wonderful weekend. Love you. I'm out. Bye. See you in my next video soon.